so this time in the Hot Wheels series, it's the Kia. Don't want it? No Kia. Hi there car guys, it's your DCS right here. Welcome back to all. So this time is the usual Hot Wheels series, but you know which car it is, and this time it's got 3 out of 10 in factory fresh. It's not the same without the Hot Wheels flame. Meet Kia's flagship car, the Stinger. So this time is the 2019 Kia Stinger GT, which is a perfect sports car. Okay, not exactly a sports car, it's more like a liftback, so let's just call it a perfect sports liftback. That's too many words. Okay, the major thing is that, guys, this car has a lot of competition. I mean, some serious competition, like the 2020 BMW 3 Series and the 2020 Jaguar XE. Ooh, those are some serious competition, guys. But Kia hasn't left us behind, because it has some performance packing under that hood, and we'll just discuss that in the information. And also, this is the first rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive, not exactly all-wheel drive, car the Korean company has ever produced. So it's kind of like in a new segment, that is. So it's kind of cool, guys. So let's see what this car got, in the information. But before that, let's talk about the previous video. Oh yeah, it was the non-popular 1969 Camaro. If you want to check it out, right here. So yeah, I put the quiz also last week. So the question, give me a sec. So which car did Dino Brewster use in the final race of the movie Need for Speed? That's pretty easy. It's the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. Who doesn't know that? So the first person to actually comment that right away was Daman.s B. Congratulations, buddy. I'm running out of congratulations for Daman.s, So here's your shout out, and now let's go for the unboxing. Let's look at its details. I want to see it much more closely. Here we go. Oh, looks like we've skipped the unboxing part, guys. Okay, no waiting. Let's go for the looks and details of the Kia Stinger GT. Alright, at first look, yes, this car looks pretty damn amazing. It has all the details, like the headlamp detailings there. You have the Kia logo that is pretty damn nice, done by Hot Wheels. I really like that. And you have the hood vents, which is kind of clear. It's nice. You can't see the interior really, because the tint is kind of shabby, but I really like it. It's kind of nice. The wheel rims are appreciable, like it's okay. I like it. And yes, what else can we talk about? The front grills are pretty bold. I really like that look on the front. It's pretty damn nice, guys. And at the side, it is pretty lendy too. Well, you have your shark fin antenna, okay. You have your tail lamp detailing, but the exhaust is not so cool, guys. Like, I can't see them, I can barely see them. And you have the Stinger nameplate there, that is nice. You have the tail lamp detailing. Well, the disappointing part comes here that it does not have the side view mirrors. That is the only disappointing part. Rather than that, it does not miss a single detail. I really like this car, guys, even the tints. It's really nice. So let's just go for the info then. What are we waiting for? And now let's talk about the sports liftback. It is the Kia Stinger GT, guys, because it is the information of the 2019 Kia Stinger GT. So let's start off with the production, guys. The production actually began at 2017 and it's still coming out of the present. That's pretty obvious. Going for the body style. The body style, as I told earlier, it's a 5-door liftback, but I don't know why I just like to call it a sedan. Well, let's just leave it, guys. Going for the engine in the base, you have the 2-liter turbocharged inline 4-cylinder, which is called as the TGDI, turbocharged gasoline direct injection. And in the high end, you have the 3.3-liter twin turbocharged V6 that has some serious power in the hood, and it also comes in 2 options, that is the rear wheel drive and the all-wheel drive, guys. So you choose whether you want to drift or, get the handling. Well, let's go for the transmission, guys. The transmission, you have only one option, that is the 8-speed automatic. There are no manuals, and the 8-speed automatic is called as the A8TR1, so that's only the sad part. Going for the horsepower, guys, in the V6, you have 365 horsepower. That's seriously good. And in the 2-liter inline 4-cylinder, which doesn't disappoint you, it has 255 horsepower. That is some serious power. It's really nice. And going for the length of this car is 4,831 mm. Talking about the width of this car is 1,869 mm. Going for the weight, guys, the current weight of this car is 1,889 kilograms. That is a bit heavy. Time about the 0 to 60 time, it does it in 5.9 seconds, and that is off the V6, guys. It's not the inline 4-cylinder. Well, going for the top speed of this car is 167 miles per hour. That's 269 kilometers per hour. That's really some nice top speed, and that is off the V6, not the inline 4-cylinder. So going for the last part, guys, that is the price. So the price, it is ranging from 31,995 pounds to 40,495 pounds, guys. So it is a pretty good price, you know. And there you have it. That is the end of the information. So now let's go for the ratings. So looking at all of its cool performance and its amazing details, I give it an 8.5 out of 10, guys. Let me see your ratings. I've never seen most of the people coming in the ratings, so yeah, let me see your ratings, guys. Comment it down below. And there it is, the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you all next week. Bye bye. Enjoy your weekend.